Hey everyone, let's talk stains. We've all been there. You spill something on your favorite shirt and you think it's ruined. Don't panic. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Your fridge holds a powerful stain-fighting weapon, club soda. Yes, you heard that right. That bubbly beverage you enjoy on a hot day can also rescue your clothes from stubborn stains. It's like magic, but better because it's real, and it's in your kitchen right now. So put down those harsh chemicals and step away from the bleach. We're about to unlock the power of club soda together. Get ready to say goodbye to stains and hello to sparkling clean clothes. Listen, we've all had those moments where we're juggling a million things at once and bam, coffee splatters on our crisp white shirt. It's like the universe has a sense of humor, right? Or maybe it's red wine dribbling on our new tablecloth during a fancy dinner party. Stains happen, right? They always seem to strike at the worst possible moments. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to mean the end of the world or your favorite outfit. You don't have to panic or throw away your beloved clothes. This essay is your trusty guide to banishing those pesky stains using a simple, inexpensive, and readily available ingredient, club soda. Yes, that fizzy drink can be your best friend in these situations. We'll delve into how and why club soda works its magic on different types of stains. From coffee to wine, it has the power to lift those stubborn marks. I'll share my tried and true techniques to get your clothes looking their best. You'll learn step-by-step methods to tackle even the toughest stains. Get ready to become a stain-fighting pro. With these tips, you'll never have to worry about unexpected spills ruining your day again. Let's face it, stains are the worst. They have this uncanny ability to appear at the most inconvenient times. Got a big job interview? Cue the coffee drip. Romantic date night? Hello, spaghetti sauce splatter. Dealing with stains can be frustrating. You try scrubbing, soaking, and using all sorts of stain removers, but nothing seems to work. Sometimes you even have to say goodbye to a beloved piece of clothing because a stubborn stain just won't budge. But it doesn't have to be this way. There's a simple, effective solution that's been hiding in plain sight, club soda. Yes, that fizzy drink can be your secret weapon against those pesky stains. Okay, so what makes club soda such a stain-fighting superstar? It all comes down to those delightful bubbles, also known as carbonation. When you pour club soda onto a stain, those tiny bubbles act like mini explosions. These little bursts lift the stain molecules away from the fabric fibers. Think of it like gently prying the stain away rather than harshly scrubbing at it. Plus, club soda is slightly acidic, which helps to break down certain types of stains, making them easier to remove. But wait, there's more. Club soda is also free of harsh chemicals, bleach, and phosphates, making it a gentle yet effective option for your clothes and the environment. Section 5. Banishing stains, a step-by-step guide. Stains can be a real headache, but with the right approach, you can make them disappear like magic. Ready to put club soda to the test? This common household item is more powerful than you might think. Here's your easy-to-follow guide to banishing stains. 1. Act fast. Time is of the essence when it comes to stain removal. The sooner you treat a stain with club soda, the better. Quick action can prevent the stain from setting in and becoming more difficult to remove. Don't let it set in and become a permanent resident of your favorite garment. 2. Blot, don't rub. This is crucial. Resist the urge to scrub vigorously, as this can spread the stain and damage the fabric. Scrubbing can push the stain deeper into the fibers. Instead, gently blot the stain with a clean cloth or paper towel to absorb excess liquid. Blotting helps lift the stain without causing further damage. 3. Club soda to the rescue. This fizzy liquid is more than just a refreshing drink. Pour a generous amount of club soda directly onto the stain, ensuring it's completely saturated. The carbonation helps to lift the stain from the fabric. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic. The bubbles in the club soda will help to break down the stain particles. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to blot the stain again, absorbing the club soda along with the lifted stain particles. This step is essential to remove as much of the stain as possible. For stubborn stains, you may need to repeat steps 3 and 4 a couple of times. Patience, my friend. Persistence pays off when dealing with tough stains. Once you're satisfied with the stain removal, wash the garment as you normally would. A regular wash cycle will help to remove any remaining traces of the stain and club soda. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep your clothes looking fresh and stain-free. Happy cleaning! Section 6. Coffee catastrophe averted. Picture this. You're rushing out the door with your morning coffee in hand, and suddenly, disaster strikes. Your hand collides with the door, sending a spray of coffee onto your crisp white shirt. Don't panic. Club soda to the rescue. Remember our trusty steps? Blot the excess coffee, saturate the stain with club soda, let it fizz for a few minutes and blot again. The club soda's carbonation will work its magic, lifting the coffee particles from the fabric. After a quick wash, your shirt will be as good as new, and you'll be ready to conquer the day without a coffee stain holding you back. Section 7. Wine mishap? No problem. Red wine spills can be a dinner party nightmare. But fear not, wine lovers, club soda is here to save the day, and your tablecloth. As soon as the wine meets the fabric, grab your club soda and generously pour it over the stain. The key here is to act quickly before the wine has a chance to set in. Blot gently with a clean cloth, working from the outside in to avoid spreading the stain. You'll be amazed at how the club soda magically lifts the red wine from the fabric. After a quick wash, your tablecloth will be ready for its next dinner party debut. Section 8. More miracle work, tackling other stains. In this section we will explore the incredible versatility of club soda as a stain remover. It's not just for coffee and red wine. This household staple can handle a wide array of stains that you might encounter in your daily life. Coffee and red wine aren't the only stains that club soda can handle. Its effervescent properties make it a powerful ally against many other common stains. This versatile stain fighter can also tackle a variety of other common culprits, including tea. Those pesky tannin stains from your afternoon tea are no match for club soda's fizz. Simply pour some club soda over the stain, let it bubble up, and then blot it away with a clean cloth. Juice, whether it's grape juice or cranberry juice, club soda can help lift those colorful stains. The carbonation helps to break down the pigments, making it easier to remove the stain from the fabric. Ink. Yes, even pen ink can sometimes be tackled with club soda. Ink stains can be particularly stubborn, but with a little patience and some club soda you can often see great results. Blot the excess ink, apply club soda and let it work its magic. The key is to act quickly and avoid rubbing the stain, which can make it spread. Sauce, spaghetti sauce splatters and ketchup mishaps are no problem for club soda. The acidity in the soda helps to break down the oils and pigments in the sauce, making it easier to lift the stain. Remember, the sooner you treat the stain with club soda, the better your chances of success. Acting quickly can prevent the stain from setting into the fabric, making it much easier to remove. So, keep a can of this miracle worker handy for any stain emergencies. Whether it's in your kitchen, laundry room, or even your car, having club soda on hand can save you from many potential stain disasters. It's a simple, effective, and affordable solution for a cleaner, stain-free life. Section 9. Club soda, your laundry's new best friend. From now on, consider club soda an essential part of your laundry routine. It's a natural, effective, and inexpensive way to keep your clothes looking their best. Keep a bottle or two in your laundry room alongside your detergent and stain remover. You'll be amazed at how often it comes in handy for treating those everyday stains that inevitably pop up. Plus, using club soda means you're reducing your reliance on harsh chemicals, which is good for your clothes, your skin, and the environment. Section 10. Embrace the fizz for spotless clothes. So there you have it. The secret to banishing stains and achieving spotless clothes is right in your fridge. Embrace the power of club soda, and say goodbye to those stain-induced meltdowns. Remember, act fast, blot gently, and let the club soda work its magic. With a little help from this fizzy wonder, you can keep your clothes looking their best, no matter what life throws at them, or spills on them. Now go forth and conquer those stains with confidence. And don't forget to raise a glass, of club soda of course, to sparkling clean clothes.